Hi guys, so we're making another video. This is my mom. Say hi, Mom. I said say hi. Okay. So this is gonna be a new addition to our channel.
To our channel?
To my channel.
To your channel, sorry.
Looks like my ice cream froze. I don't get it, it's all melty. So this is gonna be a new thing where I'm calling this Blizzard. And I can't eat this because this is actually part of our video. So what this is gonna be that we're gonna try out different Blizzard flavors. So, Mom, will you do our honors? Let's try it.
Not bad. It's okay.
I love it.
It tastes good.
Now as I lick the rest of this. Aww.
It actually tastes good.
So we rate this. What do you rate it, Mom?
6.
I rated an 8 out of 10. So with our combined total, we get a 14 out of 20. And my mom just got a brain freeze.
Oh. Oh gosh. Okay, this is not going away.
My mom. That's a bad start to our new series.
Yeah, that's what happens when you have take a big bite. Take a big.
I just said it had to be big. I didn't say it had to be giant.
Oh Lord. No. There's one of these. You may want to turn it now.
Right. Sorry guys, we're just like I'm sorry, not very talkative. Annie, don't you dare eat that. I told you. Oh no, Annie wants to step in it.
Annie, get off, Annie.
Move. Okay, guys. So I'm sorry. This is a bad start to our new series.
But the ice cream's pretty good.
That's the important thing. It is. It is.
All right.
And if y'all have noticed, I don't have my glasses. I left them at my grandmother's. What's the spot? I left them at my grandmother's house. We're videotaping this with a Kindle. It's hard to keep up. I wish we had a tripod. It would be easier. Uh-oh. Too much.
Paper towels.
And now my mom is like getting really handsy with her cleaning utensils. She wants me to use specific ones. Specific. Or should it be specific? No. Yes, it should. Oh, what did I do? Another brain freeze, mother.
Okay.
Now I wish I got a small.
That's good.
That's going to be the end to this video, guys. And say bye, Mom.
Bye.
Go by there.